Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. Today we're doing our Friday freebie number 30. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so we're carrying on in our Mouse in the House little mini journal. These are the next two rooms. This is the sewing or crafting room and a little bedroom. Okay? And we've got pockets and tags and little paper dolls or embellishments to go with it. So again, they're close enough to where you can fold them together for a writing space or cut them apart for an actual tag. Whatever you want to do with that. Okay, let's get to making this. I've got this one done. It's the back 2 pages of the mini journal. Cute and adorable. Okay, so, and again, if you don't want to make the mini journal, just go ahead and make the make it as a journal card. You know, super simple and easy to do that. So we've got this one and this one. Now this, in my little mind, is in my upstairs departments. That's next week, okay? So put that one aside, and we've got this one. Oops, losing a little mouse lady. Get in there. Okay, we've got this one. I'm going to take this one out for now because we don't need it till next week. It's just there to hold the place. Remember to cut that open so that you've got that opening to hinge that in for your upstairs department. Okay, so I've got my pieces cut out. Hopefully I'm just about ready, more or less, sort of. Okay, so we're going to do the bedroom first because why not, right? And so it's going to go here on the very back, making sure I'm right side up, right? Okay, so I'm going to put the bedroom here, and then we'll have our pocket, and then we'll fill it with junk in a minute. Okay. Oh, this is what I need. You look around and you say, what do I need? What do I need? Oh, that thing over there. Okay, I'm going to take this part off. I just want to take one off at a time because I want to be able to put it where I want to put it, right? So let's get this done. I hope you guys are liking these Friday freebies, especially this little mini journal. I mean, you don't have to make a mini journal. You can just make journal cards, or you can make mini journal and journal cards. So what I'm doing. So anyways, it's just cutesy fun and all kinds of awesomeness, right? Let me get this off because I got an extra string for some reason. Now I got a bunch of extra strings. Maybe I'll trim that one instead of pull it. Okay. Alright, here we go. Putting it down where it goes. Straight-ish, centered-ish, right? That's my goal. Ish. Okay. Now we're going to get this side of it. I do like using that little fringe stuff that I'm doing, but you do have to work with the, you know, sometimes you get an extra string. But I like the frayed edge of it, so I don't mind working with it. Just be careful, don't turn it back on your tape because that's awkward. You don't have a fringe anymore because it's hard to get it loose from the tape. Do I know this from experience? Yes. Okay, here we go. Get this down. Get this down. Gonna be a gorgeous little journal, couple of journals. I'm making 2. I mean, you guys can make 2. You can make more. You can make whatever you want. You can make a whole bunch of them and give them out for Christmas presents or whatever holiday you celebrate. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put these. Oh, I'll need to put the pocket on. I was gonna say I'm gonna put these to the side. I'm gonna put those to the side. I'm gonna put the pocket on here, like so. Super cute. Okay. And have our stacked image so we don't lose any of the pretty. Okay, did I get glue on the other side of that? No. Okay, don't want glue on the inside. Stack our image. Super duper cute. Now we've got a cute pocket. We got our little mouse girl reading to the little mouses that are going to bed. You had to have a bedtime story, right? It's a thing. They're probably reading some of Grandpa Phineas's stories, right? I mean, you would think. They got a picture of him up there. Did you guys notice that? I put a picture of Phineas in there just because that's fun, right? He's up on the wall. So if you wonder what he looks like, that's him at this point in time. So, yeah. There we go. Now we've got our pocket. And give that a good roll. We'll put these things in a minute or two. Got to get our sewing or crafting room in there, right? That's a thing. As we are, you know, crafters. I didn't get this pocket ready, but that's okay. I'll use it to show you how to do it in case you haven't done it before. Don't put it upside down. Okay, we're going to put it on here. There's lots of crafting things in here to do. They're making some pretty dresses, probably for the tea party. You know, just saying. Okay. Now, yeah, I'm loving this little mini journal. It's so cute. Then again, this is the month of so cute. So I hope you guys are making something so cute, because I have dubbed June the month of so cute, because it is so cute. Okay. It's a little lumpy bumpy on this side. See if I can do that. That'll help. That's a good thing about envelope journals. They're fairly flexible, which is good. When we're trying to put something together and we need it to lay down and be still, right? So, yeah. Okay. We're going to get this one. Okay. Give that a roll. Yep, clear up some clutter off my desk. Okay, now we're going to put our... Now, if you haven't seen the pockets before, if you're new, all you do is just fold on the lines, okay? It's pretty simple. Fold and fold and fold, right? Give it a good press. Now, if you are new, I don't recommend you get everything all at once. But one thing that will help you if you're new is one of these. Something that you can use to squash down and make your edges really crisp. You need that. You get a bone folder. You can get the plastic ones. That one's real bone. Or you can get a real bone one. I don't like the plastic ones. So that one's ox bone. And yeah, I didn't kill the animal. I just am using that. So don't be a hater. I'm just a simple crafter. Okay, let's put our fringe on there, make it pretty, or I think it does. So if I can get it turned around the right way. Yeah, you can use one of those, or you can use a squeegee thing kind of like this, or if you don't want to spend any money on it, use an old gift card or something. I mean, really, you can use that. When you're first starting out, there's ways to do things on the cheap, okay? So that's okay. Eventually, though, those things get, I guess, you get tired of using those things because they don't work as good. You get one of these and you've got more precision, and it's a little weighted. It works good. We'll just put it that way. It works good. Now, what am I looking for? I'm looking for this. Okay. Just a little tape. And you do need a squeegee kind of tool, but eventually, but not right away. Unless you just want to. I mean, you know, I'm not telling you what to do or what not to do. But a squeegee tool helps when you're putting things down. If you have bigger places that you're going to be squashing the tape on and stuff. Where'd that go? It's good to have a bigger squeegee tool instead of just the bone folder. Just saying. Now we're going to put our stacked image pocket there. I like to put the bottoms down first because I can line it up better. I can get the pocket straight-ish, and it just works better for me. So you guys do what works better for you. I'm just giving you tips as I go along because I know what works for me. After you do this for a minute, you know what works for you, you know? Okay. There we go. Super cute. All right. And get that on there. I'm going to give it a little roll just because if you get even pressure on things when you're putting it down, it sticks better. Just saying. It does. So that's why I use the brayer. I can get more even pressure that way. So do whatever works for you, but try to get as much even pressure as you can so that you get the best stick adhesion that you can get. Your stuff stays together lots better that way. Okay, now we are ready to put our, now this one I did as a little writing space. We're going to put this in here just like so. Now let's see, we've got our little crafty ladies, girls, and we've got our, now these were just backed on with file folder, but that's okay. We're going to stick those in there, and we've got our little, these guys, this little lady reading the bedtime story. I got a couple of those. Huh. Okay, I got extras. I got extras, which is good. I don't mind having extras. But this little guy, this is the little, let me show you. This is the little, I thought it was cute to put one of the little sleeping mouses in its little sleeping bag thing as a little embellishment. I'm afraid if I stick that in a pocket, it's going to get lost. So I'm going to stick that on here. I'm going to stick it on, I'll have one on each side. Because I did back them on file folder, but I just think you know, they'll get lost. So I'm going to stick them down. How about that? Right there, like so, on that corner. They're adorable, but yeah, you just, you know, I don't want to lose them. You could write something on the back of that. I was thinking when I did this, I thought you could write hi or something, you know. If you write really teeny tiny, you could write a person's name. Use it as a little name tag if you wanted. It's cute. We can be creative. Ooh, I got 2 of those too. Why? But I don't mind. I mean, oh, I can put, do I have one over here? Let's see, do I have one over here? I don't have one. Okay, I'm going to spread them out. Share the wealth here. Okay? Put this over here and this one over here. And those are staying where they are because I stuck them on. Okay. I already got those in there. Okay. All right, we've got that. Get some of this stuff out of the way. I need to put this. Remember to get your upstairs ready because next week we're doing the upstairs. And it's so cute. Really. It is. Okay. And the upstairs, we don't want to put, when you're prepping, like when you get your panels together, you just want to have a strip of tape here and here. You can put tape all there. On your panel, your matted piece, you just don't want to put it and close this up in case you want to use that as a pocket, which I'm going to do. So, just saying. So, yeah, because we're going to trim off, we're going to have to trim off some of it anyways. So why not have it as a pocket then, right? So, yeah, that's our upstairs department. This is one of the bedrooms. You know, it's a mini, so we don't have room to do the whole house. And then this is the craft. You have to put the craft room. Then we've got our kitchen. Kitchen is a big part of the house. It's the heart of the home, right? And then we've got the living room and the library. Super duper cute. And of course we got the front and the back. So we've done all that. We've got one more set of rooms to do. And they're 2 different rooms. You guys are going to love it. I hope you are, because I do. All right. We've got it done. Go get your freebies. They're on the website and the Facebook group page. The sewing or crafting room in the bedroom. It's Friday Freebie Thursday. Friday Freebie Thursday. 30. My brain is not all the way in gear. It's stuck in part neutral or something. Okay, so then you've got your pockets, your tags for each page, and your little embellishments or paper dolls, whichever way you want to look at that. Okay. All right. Yep, go get those. Have fun with them. Make you a journal, or if you don't want to do that, make a journal card with a pocket. It's awesome and cute. So cute, right? Okay, I'm going to go. You guys take care. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. TTFN.